Hello, welcome to my channel. Genital area cleaning is an extremely important issue in terms of both health and cosmetics. In case of not providing good hygiene due to the structure of this region, it brings along unwanted problems such as itching, burning, stinging, odor. We have researched the genital area cleaning that you should pay attention to. Choose cotton underwear. The way to reduce sweating is cotton underwear, not synthetic underwear. In this way, your genital area can breathe. Also, avoid wearing too tight clothes for the health of your genital area. Keep dry. You need to dry very well after the bath, and you can even dry you using a blow dryer. In this way, you will get rid of some infections and bacteria. Staying in a wet swimsuit for a long time will increase the risk of infection, so it is beneficial to take at least 2 dry swimsuits with you. Do not use soap in the bathroom. Soaps disrupt the flora of your genital area, especially fungal infections. Increases the number of certain microorganisms. Therefore, wash your external genital area only with water while taking a bath. But do not apply pressurized water to the inside of the vaginal area to clean it, because the protective beneficial odor bacilli here decrease in number and the increase in vaginal pH predisposes to opportunistic infections. Dry after toilet. It is important to clean the area with water after urination or stool. Cleaning should always be done from front to back. However, after the toilet, in order not to keep the area moist. A good drying should be done with soft, odorless, and white-colored toilet papers. Wash your genital area with plenty of water after sexual intercourse. Semen, sweat, and body secretions from the genital area after sexual intercourse. It creates a suitable environment for bacterial colonization. So after every intercourse or masturbation, the external genital area should be washed thoroughly with plenty of water or genital area cleaners. Genital area shaving is important. Shaving of the genital area can be achieved with razor, wax, depilatory, or today's laser epilation technologies. Removing the hair before it grows too long provides both a protection against infections and it prevents genital area odors due to perspiration.